Hey everyone! Today we're unboxing a set of filters for a Yanmar 4TNV94 engine. This set includes a fuel filter, oil filter, and also an air filter. These filters are essential to keep the engine running smoothly and efficiently. Let's take a look. First, we have the fuel filter. This filter is responsible for removing impurities and contaminants from the fuel before it enters the engine. This ensures that the engine runs smoothly and doesn't get damaged by the dirty fuel. Next, we have the oil filter. And this filter is responsible for removing dirt and debris from the engine oil. This is the oil filter, and remember that clean oil is essential for keeping the engine running smoothly and prolonging its life. And finally, we have the air filter, and this filter is responsible for removing dust and dirt from the air that enters the engine. Let's take a look. This is the air filter over here. And this air filter ensures that the engine doesn't get clogged up with debris. These sets of filters for Yanmar are really of the highest quality and essential for keeping your engine running smoothly. These filters can also hold up for heavy use and provide excellent filtration performance. So that's our unboxing of the Yanmar fuel filter, oil filter, and also air filter. If you're in the market for filters, please check out our shop online, MyMROmarts.com.